Hello everyone, I'm Dennis Mudhamia taking technology education, specializing in automotive technology and education of technology being offered in classroom. We go for field trips where we are exposed to the real world. We get to know and to understand the various processes involved in technical skills. Currently on 29th, we end a trip to Mombasa. We attended various companies where we learned various companies and their processing processes. Some of them including we went to AVA, that is Associated Motor Vehicle Assemblers. We were taken to various processes that are involved in the manufacturing process of the vehicles. This include that for the vehicle to be a complete system, there must be various supervisions and channels to undergo. One of them being there is for transmission system channel, where we have the gearbox, the engine components being taken care of by various expertise. We have the wheel alignment section. We have the session where different things are being brought, like for example the spare parts and component of the vehicle. In AVA Motors, we learned various modern technologies that are being to be incorporated in future, like the use of robotics in the manufacturing process, the integration of the modern information technology of artificial intelligence in the manufacturing of motor vehicles. At the AVA, we end an exposure that in the near future, they will incorporate such modern technologies to help in manufacturing process. Later on, the second day, we went to Mombasa Cement. In Mombasa Cement, we learned that for the cement to be a complete and to be called a cement, it has to undergo various processes, manufacturing processes. We end the we were taken to a place where they extract the lime, which is a raw material for the manufacture of the cement, and there is the lime is mixed with the kiln where it is being uh, crushed in a place in a system of production line called the crank. And the crank line, the crank usually is used for the process of reducing the particles of the lime into small particles by crushing. After crushing, the raw materials is taken in a grinding mill, whereby the components are being mixed for homogeneity, and later on, the components are being mixed. Coal is used as a source of energy, which we were told that they get it from Tanzania. And now the manufacturing of cement involves three components, that is gypsum, uh, clinker, and pozzolana for the manufacturing of the cement. The near future incorporations in the manufacturing industry of the cement, we were told that they will integrate ICT such as robots to reduce the human requirement, for example, automated robots. Later on the following day, we went to the Kengen company, the manufacturing of or the production of power through geothermal processes. In Kenyan, we learned that electricity is being manufactured in three ways, or it is being produced in three ways. No, not really four ways. That is hydro. Mm, we have the turbines. We have the geothermal. Yeah. So in Kenyan, we learned that the production of power is basically by use of geothermal, where we were taken various tours to see the various production process. We were we went to the automated room where we learned that there is production of power by use of big engines, which uses the one that produces power actually before it being raised to high voltage by use of secondary transformers. Yeah, secondary transformers to increase the output. The following day, the other day, we went for the third day, we went to KPC, where this is the company that is usually involved in exportation of crude of oil, that is petrol, uh, diesel, and kerosene, mostly for Jet One engines. It basically being transported from we were taken to various processes whereby we were elaborated, we were taught on how the production process actually goes by. This is where the ships comes with the oil. It is being disposed to their storage facilities at deep sea. Then it later on transported to KPC, where they have those big tanks for storage purposes. Later on, the gas is distributed to various parts of the country through a process of the pipeline process. And later on, we were told that the future plans of the company is that they will integrate the use of fiber for modern technology. That is to monitor the transportation process all the way from Mombasa to Nairobi and to various part of the country, including to the far point of northeastern region. The process was quite awesome, and we learned a lot, even in the control room, where we were shown by as the manager is involved in showing the process. And the final day, we went to Beach, where we enjoyed ourselves before we embarked to Moi University. And actually, it was a quite good experience, and we learned a lot in that company, those various companies.